how to choose colours to calm anxiety. So when you're feeling stressed or anxious or just overwhelmed, it can be really hard to know where to start when making art. But making art can be really, really good to calm that anxiety, to be able to express and release some stress. So how do you know which colours you might use or anything like that? Now, sometimes it might be worth just grabbing the first colour that you take out of the pot. Now, I've ended up getting some green and then I've just done a wiggle. Sometimes it might be useful for you to think about which colours you want to use, whether you've got a favourite colour, whether you've got a colour that matches your emotion at the time. But that can be really challenging because it can be really hard when we're feeling stressed to feel that we're making the right appropriate decisions, to feel that we understand ourselves. Sometimes it can be hard to name our emotions when we're feeling stressed. So actually, a tip that I kind of have for you is to literally just grab the nearest thing. So in here I've just got some random things. There's some pens, there's some markers, there's some crayons, and I'm just going to close my eyes and then grab something. I happen to have a crayon. So using that, it does not matter what colour it is. Now, I'm scribbling because it gives a chance when you're feeling stressed to have lots of kind of random physical motion, which can be really discharging of stress. However, actually, what you might choose to do is something that goes slower, that kind of goes at a pace that matches for you. And it's okay if it doesn't look a certain way or doesn't look kind of like how you maybe imagined art to look good or anything like that. You don't need to have kind of loads and loads of skills to use art in a way that's helpful for your well-being. But what's really important is to be able to allow yourself to spend some time creating art. This only has taken me a couple of minutes, and actually the starting part of the art is where those initial changes might take place, where you've got like a break in the state. So sometimes we can get so stuck in our thoughts that physically doing something else can be really, really helpful and necessary to break away from our maybe negative thought pattern or racing thoughts to be able to do something different. So we've got our racing thoughts here and then we can calm the mind. Hope that helped. Take care. Bye for now.